In this video, I will show you how to have CapCut Pro totally for free, so let us get to it. In this tutorial, more than having CapCut totally for free, I will teach you a completely legal method so you can access all the premium options of the application without having to use a monthly subscription. To take advantage of this method, the first thing you have to do is log into CapCut on your computer. Once you have logged in, as you can see, this is an account that does not have an active subscription. And what you are going to do as a first step is tap this settings icon at the top right. Once you tap it, we are going to enter settings. And in this new window that opens, we are going to tap on the folder icon that is right next to the address that says save to. This will open a new window on our computer where we will have to tap at the top so the full address appears, and we are going to copy this address. Then what we are going to do is open a browser window and paste the address we had copied from CapCut. Once we have it pasted there, we press enter, and this will open the folder where projects are saved by default in our CapCut. We are going to leave this window open. Let us minimize it because we are going to use it in a moment. Returning to CapCut, we can cancel this window and close everything we see open. Now we proceed to create a new project. Once we are here, we can then begin to import the resources to create our video. I have imported this video I have here. I'm going to move it to the timeline, and from here on, everything will depend on your editing skills. I'm going to make a very simple video where I will use some premium elements just to show you the method, but you can try it with whatever editing you want. As you can see, I am making use of some elements and transitions that CapCut offers, but that belong to the premium option. If you look closely, all those that have a small diamond in the top left belong to the premium catalog of transitions, effects, and elements of CapCut. We are going to make use of these stickers as well, which are from the premium option. I am not going to focus too much on the video quality because, as I said, it is just an example video to test the options. But one of the most used options in this application is the subtitles. Let us go to the text section and go to the section that says auto captions. We select the language and tap on generate. Once we have generated the subtitles, we are going to edit them. We are going to configure them with a template so they look good. Once we have all our elements added, we can also make use of the audio options. In this case, I will use a premium song from those available in the library. Once you have your video exactly how you want it, the next important step for this method is to select each of the elements of your video. You can do it directly by dragging the right button of your mouse over each of the elements until they are selected this way, or you can also press the Control plus a keys. This will also select each of the clips and elements of your video. Once you have it like this, you will right click with your mouse and tap on Create Compound Clip. Then you will see that everything will have joined into just one video track. The next step is to play your video completely. Once you have done this, now you will right click again on your video and you are going to tap on the option that says pre-render clip. At the top, you will see that some configurations are being applied, and then you will see the progress percentage of the pre-rendering. You can observe it in this number that is advancing at the bottom. Once your video has been pre-rendered, you will have to tap here on aspect and then tap on custom. Now, as you can see, this project with this number 0109 has been saved in this address inside our computer, which is the same folder we had accessed at the beginning. If we open this folder and compare the names, we will realize that a folder now appears here with the number 0109, which is the same one where our pre-rendered project was saved. We open this folder and then open the resource folder. Then we open the combination folder, and here we will have two files. One that has a preview and the second one that has no preview. Now, what we are going to do is export this video to our CapCut, already having all the pro elements combined. For this, we are going to close this other folder, and being in the browser of our CapCut, we are going to open the folder where our project was saved. We drag it to where we have all the media and then drag it to our timeline. As we can see, we have two exactly identical videos. What we have to do is deactivate the original video where we had the elements at the beginning and leave only our already exported video. As you can see, each of the elements we had that were only for pro use are now compiled in a preview of our video. At this point, what we can do is export our video without needing to acquire a subscription, since the pro elements are compressed within the pre-rendering we had done previously. In case we want to make any modification, we would only have to activate our lower timeline, deactivate this one, and perform the whole procedure again. That is why it is important that you do the pre-rendering once you are sure you will not make any more changes to your video. And now we proceed to the step we all want, which is to export our finished video. For this, we tap the export button, and now it will allow us to change the name of the video, select the folder where we want this video to be saved, select the resolution, the codec type, the format, and the amount of frames per second. I am going to leave everything as default because it is a test video, and I'm going to tap on export. As you can see, 2 versions of our video have been created, and we also have the possibility to share it directly on TikTok or YouTube. At no point were we asked for a subscription or to acquire any paid element. We open our folder, and here we have our video exported and ready to use. Hello, welcome to Lightning Tutorials. This is a test of CapCut Pro. As you can see, it is a simple, practical, and above all legal method, since CapCut itself allows us to use this function. And that brings us to the end of our video for today. We hope it has been useful for you. If it was, give us a comment, a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of the upcoming videos we will bring you. Until next time.